Would you like to save time, money, and eat healthier all at once? Hi, my name is Alegre, and maybe you're like me, a busy working parent who wants to feed their family healthy food without spending all day in the kitchen or breaking the bank at the grocery store. Well, that's why I created Intuitive Cooking, which is all about creating a healthy foundation for weekly meals that your family will eat day in, day out, and saving time, all while cooking without recipes. Okay, now I know that makes some people really nervous when I say cooking without recipes, but I promise you, if you can salt your food in a restaurant, then you can do intuitive cooking. And what I mean by that is when you go to a restaurant and you taste something and you think, it needs a little salt or maybe pepper, and you put a little in and you stir it up and taste it again, and then you say, okay, this is just right. That's really what intuitive cooking is all about. Because even if you don't have the roadmap, which is a recipe, you still have a built-in compass, and that's your mouth. You see, no one knows what you like better than you. And what intuitive cooking teaches you is how ingredients work together so that you can cook to your own palate, your own dietary preferences, your budget, the season, what's in your fridge, whatever the case may be. Now, I'm not talking about fancy food here. I'm not going to teach you how to make a souffle or a pavlova or anything like that. I'm talking about soups, salads, stir fries, things that you can eat every day and know that your family's eating something delicious and healthy and you're not breaking the bank. Sound good to you? Well then check out my free webinar where you can find out more about my cooking style as well as see a demonstration of intuitive cooking and find out more about my upcoming webinars. Now, you might be thinking, well, I can't cook because I don't have a fancy kitchen, I don't have every gadget out there. Aha! I've got you! Because when you go to my webinar, you'll see that my webinars are simply me at a table with the 4 things that you need to cook almost anything, and I bet you have all these 4 things. The 4 things you need: a table, a hot plate, and a toaster oven. That's it. I wanted to keep it really, really simple because I truly believe that cooking from scratch is the #1 way to increase your health, wealth, and happiness. And I believe that it's so important that that's why I want to make it really simple and take everyone's excuses away. So to find out more, go to my free webinar where you can see my demonstration. You can learn the 4 things that you need to cook almost anything that I bet you already have, and a little bit more about intuitive cooking and the webinars I have coming up. And if you want, you can also sign up for my No Cook 3 Cocktail Recipes webinar, which is a fun way to get your feet wet and try something out that's new and fun and easy. See you there. Be a spark in the world.